After week finished, I was really sad that, oh, it's over now. And so I was looking on the website and I noticed there were some follow-up just for 4 weeks. And I decided to do that and found it really helpful. Sometimes when you stop something and then you haven't got any follow-up to do, you can get lost a little bit. So I just wanted to stay on track and build on what I'd already learned. So just doing that for another 4 weeks was great. I've also joined in one free follow-up session, and I found that useful as well. So I'm really liking that there's a lot of support with Buteyko online. It feels really important just to keep me, it's kept me on track and to keep going. And when you got another class coming up, it's something to look forward to and some new learning. I'm always interested in learning more and integrating it into my own body.